नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण सायन्स पार्ट 1 चॅप्टर 3 केमिकल रिॲक्शन अँड इक्वेशन्स यामध्ये हाऊ टू राईट अ केमिकल रिॲक्शन हा भाग बघणार आहोत. अ केमिकल रिॲक्शन इज रिप्रेझेंटेड बाय रायटिंग अ केमिकल इक्वेशन. हियर केमिकल रिॲक्शन sodium hydroxide is reacted with hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride and water. This chemical reaction is represented in the form of chemical equation. Here, this is the chemical equation. So, the representation of chemical reaction in condensed form using chemical formulae is called as the chemical equation. या इक्वेशनमध्ये आपण केमिकल फॉर्म्युले वापरलेली आहेत. सोडियम हायड्रॉक्साईड केमिकल फॉर्म्युला आहे NaOH, हायड्रोक्लोरिक ॲसिड HCl, सोडियम क्लोराईड NaCl, वॉटर H2O. सो केमिकल फॉर्म्युले वापरून केमिकल रिॲक्शन आपण केमिकल इक्वेशनच्या फॉर्ममध्ये रिप्रेझेंट केलेली आहे. इन अ केमिकल रिॲक्शन the reactants are written on the left hand side while the products are on the right hand side. This is the left hand side and this is right hand side. These are the reactants, these are the products. Here in this chemical equation, sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acids are reactants which are taking part in a chemical reaction, and sodium chloride and water, these are the products which are formed as a result of chemical reaction. So reactants are written on the left hand side and products are written on the right hand side. An arrow heading towards the product is drawn in between them. This arrow indicates the direction of the reaction. If the reactants or products are two or more, they are linked with a plus sign in between them. Here in this chemical equation, there are two reactants, sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. These two reactants are linked together with a plus sign. And on the right hand side, sodium chloride and water are also two products. They are also linked with plus sign. To make the chemical equation more informative, the physical states of the reactants and products are indicated in the equation. Here, iron it is in a solid state. So its physical state, solid state, it is written in the bracket after chemical formula. So as for a solid state, sulfur it is also in a solid state. Iron sulfide, it is also in a solid state. Water, it is in a liquid state. So L for liquid. Here also water, it is in a liquid state. And oxygen, it is in a gaseous state. So G for the gaseous state. So these physical states are mentioned in the bracket after chemical formula. Moreover, the gaseous, if the products are in the gaseous state, then they are indicated by an arrow which is pointing upward instead of G. So this is the arrow which is pointing upward instead of G for gaseous state. इथे दोन्ही पण स्टेट दाखवलेले आहेत, पण कोणती पण एकच स्टेट आपण इथे मेन्शन करू शकतो. When reactants and products are in the form of solution in a water, they are said to be present in an aqueous solution state. Here BaCl2 solution, it is in a water. K2SO4 solution, it is also in a water. Potassium chloride solution, it is also in a water. When the reactants and products are in the form of solution in a water, they are said to be present in an aqueous solution state. Aqueous solution state is written by writing AQ in a bracket. When heat is to be given from outside to bring a chemical reaction, it is indicated by the sign arrow. By the sign triangle. If heat is supplied or heat is to be given from outside to bring a chemical reaction, it is indicated by the sign triangle written above the arrow, which indicates the direction of reaction. Arrow जो आहे तो केमिकल रिॲक्शनचं डायरेक्शन इंडिकेट करतो. त्या ॲरोच्या वरती ट्रायंगल साईन असेल याचा अर्थ हीट इज सप्लाइड. Similarly, the fact that heat is released during the chemical reaction here between the aqueous solution of copper sulfate and zinc dust, heat is released. It is written by writing heat plus heat. वर्डमध्ये लिहिलेलं आहे प्लस हीट इथे फॉर्म झालेली. अगोदरच्या ह्याच्यामध्ये हीट इट इज गिवन which is indicated by triangle, and in this chemical reaction heat is released which is written plus heat. It is necessary to fulfill the certain conditions like a specific temperature, pressure, catalyst, etc. to bring about some reactions. So these conditions are indicated below or above the arrow indicating the direction of the reaction. For example, the reaction of a vegetable oil take place at a temperature of 60 degree with a hydrogen gas in presence of nickel catalyst, and it is written as, see, this chemical reaction is taking place at a 60 degree Celsius temperature. So this is the condition which is written above and below the arrow, and this reaction is also taking place in presence of the catalyst. So this condition it is also mentioned below the arrow. What is the catalyst? Catalyst, it is the substance which speed up a chemical reaction without taking part in it. हे तुम्ही 8वीमध्ये पण शिकलेला आहात की कॅटलिस्ट हा केमिकल रिॲक्शनचा वेग वाढवतो. सो टेम्परेचर आणि कॅटलिस्ट ह्या ज्या कंडिशन आहेत त्या ॲरोच्या वर आणि खाली मेन्शन केल्या जातात. जो ॲरो इट शोज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ केमिकल रिॲक्शन. स्पेशल इन्फॉर्मेशन or names of reactants and products are written below their formulae. See here, copper on the reaction with concentrated nitric acid gives a reddish colored poisonous nitrogen dioxide gas. आता स्पेशल इन्फॉर्मेशन काय आहे तर डायल्यूट नायट्रिक ॲसिड आहे. सो दीज कंडिशन दीज इन्फॉर्मेशन आर रिटन बिलो देअर फॉर्म्युली. हियर कॉपर below copper formulae copper word is written. Nitric acid formulae, below nitric acid formulae dilute nitric acid, cupric nitrate, nitric oxide and water ह्या स्पेशल इन्फॉर्मेशन किंवा नेम्स जे आहेत ते फॉर्म्युलेच्या खाली लिहू शकतो. सो these all are the conventions followed while writing a chemical equation. Thank you.